Hi, my name is Hans Blake, and I wanted to invite you to our upcoming Spring Forward into Retirement event we're having at our office on March 27th. We're going to address the issues that are related to the Middle East and how that's impacting portfolios, the Strait of Hormuz, and that chokehold point. We're also going to be talking about the One Big Beautiful Bill and how that's impacting retirees' lives. But most importantly, we're going to be talking about your financial junk drawer. We all have them, and this year is another reminder of what they might look like. As we gather our tax documents, we've got a 1098, a W 2, a contribution statement, and then we find out from our CPA we're missing another statement. Oh, so frustrating. Well, similarly, people invest that same way. They gather up accounts over the years, and all of a sudden they have a financial junk drawer. That's why I invented Intelligrations. And Intelligrations integrates our clients' financial lives into a one page, beautiful summary, and it helps paint a clear picture for our clients on what their financial plan looks like. If you're a pre-retiree, let's say 10 years away from retirement, or you're in retirement and you're looking for another financial advisor, perhaps you've moved out of state and you're looking for a second opinion, I'd love to invite you personally to this event. We'd love to have you there. Seats are limited, so please RSVP below, and we'll look forward to seeing you at our Spring Forward into Retirement event.